Well, we're heading for the Evanston Train Show.
Oh, that's always fun.
Well, and the drive up is half the fun.
Oh, exactly.
It's so beautiful up here. This is Colville.
Right.
And the Echo Reservoir and stuff. But this area right through here is one of the most beautiful places in the whole state of Utah.
Oh, it always reminds me of when my girls were little and driving up to see my sister and brother in Evanston. And the trip up here, I expect to turn around and see them little again in the back seat.
It's cooler up here. You can escape the heat.
Oh, yeah.
It's just beautiful. And the Evanston Train Show takes place in the old Evanston Union Pacific Roundhouse.
Right, and I just love what they've done with all of this.
The restoration, it's been, I don't know, over 10 years, I guess, that they've been working on. Yeah, way more than that. But they have the train show up here, and that just makes it one of our favorite train shows because, first of all, going up to Evanston is always fun, but a train show in a historic roundhouse?
Right.
Gee, does it get better than that?
No.
This is one of the few surviving roundhouses in America.
It's one of the few complete ones that I've ever seen in my life.
It's certainly the only surviving Union Pacific roundhouse that's complete.
Right.
There's Cheyenne, which is partially there, but this guy is totally complete, a totally complete roundhouse, and that's just amazing.
Oh, it is.
And they've started a restoration on this, and they have all kinds of events up here. Our favorite, of course, being the train show.
The train show. If you had a wedding reception or even a family reunion, I'm sure they could accommodate.
As we say, I think the restoration started about, 12 years ago or so?
Pretty close, somewhere in there.
And we've been following the restoration as best we can all this time.
Right, you can see what it used to look like, and that's how I remember it looking.
For years and years and years.
Oh, yeah.
And even as a young person, I used to come up here and sneak into the place.
Oh, I think you and a lot of other people.
It was being used as a tank car rebuilding facility, and, I got thrown out of here more than once, I'll put it that way. But it's just been so amazing to watch this restoration over these years. And they still have a lot left to do, but good grief, every time we come up, there's just so much more to see on this restoration.
Right, such a gem. Well, I haven't been up here in a while, probably about a year, so I had to come up here and see what in the world they've done out by the Roundhouse. My mind was blown away. They've tore down the one old generator building and put down cement and park benches. It's just amazing.
They have, of course, paved over what used to be all the tracks that led into the stalls from the turntable. And the turntable's been fully restored, but like you can see here, there are no tracks left going from the turntable into the roundhouse. The doors are still here, but no direct connection between the turntable and the roundhouse.
Oh, but correction, there is a set of tracks that will be used when that new locomotive, when they get that restored.
Yeah, so I thought they were just going to use maybe the turntable as a ride. They give rides on it to the public.
But looky here.
Check it out.
Yes, there are tracks. So one day when that locomotive is running, I suspect they'll be able to get it on the turntable.
I want to see this guy come out of its stall and down those tracks and onto that turntable.
Oh, it's promising. I'll tell you what, they're making progress.
It's inch by inch.
Oh, yeah.
But next up, they're bringing in the federal authorities to do the inspection on the boiler shell, which by all indications is absolutely perfect. They've already purchased the new flues to go in here, so once it passes its inspections, they can reflue the boiler.
Right, I like to hear the bell. They've actually got that ringing. Most of the time you can just see this by looking through the windows, but since we were up here for the train show, we got here a little early. They were almost ready to open it up to let people in.
But all these different reflections back and forth through all these different windows creates kind of an interesting magical effect.
Oh, I was having fun with it because I was trying to get pictures, but I was also getting the background behind me of the roundhouse and the locomotive inside.
Yeah, you can see both the inside and the outside all at the same time.
Right.
And sometimes as many as 3 different reflections in different directions.
Well, it's just like the Earth, the curvature.
Yeah, the Earth is not flat, no matter what you read on the internet.
And neither's the roundhouse, just in places.
But look at all the different, this is through 3 different sets of glass.
Right.
And you get yourself and the inside and the outside.
And behind, that's behind me. That is the turntable behind me, but I'm facing forward into the roundhouse. I decided to take a walk all the way around the roundhouse and do some window peeking just to see what I could see, and they are making some progress.
Most of the progress seems to be down at, I guess that's the north end?
That's the north end, yeah, the far end of the roundhouse.
It's going to be interesting because the south end is all open, and that's what they're using for events and so on, but all the progress now is clear down at the other end, the north end.
Right. I've heard there's going to be some kind of maybe a brewery or dining or both at that end.
That's going to be so cool.
Oh, I can't wait. I think it would be wonderful.
So they've got this new entrance at the north end, which is just like the entrance at the south end. And they've put in a giant parking lot down here.
I know, it's really huge. Plus, it has the handicap parking, so they are planning on doing a business.
This is almost identical to the parking lot at the south end.
Oh, it's just about as big. I'm just excited about it. Just by peeking through these windows, I can see that this microbrewery or whatever they've got planned here, it's making some progress, and it looks great.
And it's huge.
It is. It will seat a lot of people.
And I guess because it's a microbrewery, then they'll have all that equipment and everything in here too.
Yeah, I imagine so.
This is going to be, I'm looking forward to this. I'm excited.
Hopefully the food's great too, if they have food and fun, and yeah.
I hope so. It's going to be amazing.
Exactly.
But they've got all the HVAC power. It looks like they're just about ready for the tenant to start setting up all the brewing equipment and putting the restaurant together.
If not, it's darn close.
I hope they're going to do wood-fired pizza.
Oh, that would be great.
Anyway, Sunday we will be showing you the train show.
Right.
We just want to get everybody caught up on the restoration of the Roundhouse and where they stand on that.
Exactly. Just, oh man, I'm excited.
It's just been so amazing to watch this progress over about 12 years.
I imagine it's got to be close to that.
Anyway, you don't want to miss the train show, so if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and then you'll be notified when we upload the actual train show on Sunday. And the really fun way to subscribe is by clicking on the upcoming blue button. Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you here on Sunday with the actual train show.
Right.
We'll see you then.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.